Across America, there's an enormous need for fast, quality care. Emergency rooms are often overcrowded, and many patients spend hours waiting for their turn to be seen by a doctor. This creates a stressful environment for both patients and providers. In an effort to eliminate the stress and confusion associated with typical ER visits, freestanding emergency rooms are working to deliver quality medical care with a fully equipped staff and little to no wait times.
To put it simply, many hospital ERs are currently overwhelmed. If you're not sick enough to be brought in by an ambulance and you're someone who actually walks into an ER, you may wait for hours in the lobby without care being initiated or completed. Both doctors' and nurses' time are in short supply, so you may not get the answers to all the questions about the tests that are being performed for your emergency care.
Across its many Texas locations, SignatureCare Emergency Center provides prompt treatment for most adult and pediatric emergencies 24/7, 365 days a year. Staffed with board-certified physicians and experienced nurses trained to handle a range of medical emergencies, SignatureCare Emergency Center emergency rooms are forward-thinking, physician-led organizations innovating new ways to treat patients promptly and, in most cases, keep them out of area hospitals. These centers work diligently to anticipate and respond to the emergency medical needs of the community.
The mission of SignatureCare is really to make people's lives better. The founding partners created SignatureCare because they wanted to have a quality emergency room in everybody's neighborhood. They wanted their community to have access to an emergency room that could deliver quality care. We are giving compassionate care in a convenient, comfortable environment.
With a full lab, CT scan, and X-ray capabilities, SignatureCare Emergency Center emergency rooms have the technology to get patients treatment quickly. An in-house pharmacy is available in the emergency rooms, supplying a broad range of antibiotics for infections, cardiac medicine, and clot-busting medications for treating stroke. SignatureCare Emergency Center can provide care for medical and dental emergencies, alcohol detox, and more.
SignatureCare separates itself from the competition with one word: experience. We make sure that each patient is thoroughly seen by a physician, and we have an individual care plan that's tailored to your specific emergency. And it's not the physician dictating the care. We come at the care plan together. Some of the major benefits of our model include being seen quickly and promptly. We have rapid lab testing that comes back within minutes, in-house advanced radiology, so we can really do quite a rapid turnaround on many cases that would take a normal hospital ER or a competitor's much longer period of time. So we make sure that 100% of all patients that enter our centers have a full understanding of not only what occurred today during their visit, but what they need to do for tomorrow.
Changing the typical uncomfortable and painful ER experience, SignatureCare Emergency Center emergency rooms are centered around the patient, are designed to be stress-free. If a consultant is needed, they can be brought to a patient's bedside or reached virtually using telemedicine. If the need for a hospital admission arises, transfer and transportation are arranged. The medical team looks out for what's best for the patient to help them on their health journey.
I definitely think one of the negatives of most emergency room settings is that you walk in and you're waiting in the emergency room for hours. Once you finally get back to see a physician, they spend 5 minutes with you. So our approach is completely opposite. Our goal is to get you back into a room within 10 to 15 minutes of your arrival and actually have our physicians sit down, speak with you, spend time with you so that you're comfortable with not only your treatment plan, but also comfortable with the information provided once we diagnose and discharge you home.
We understand that not everybody has health insurance, and we're seeing you on your worst day. And we do want people to understand and feel comfortable coming to us because you're going to be seen and evaluated by a doctor every time you come into our facility, regardless of your ability to pay. On the back end, we have reasonable and affordable payment plans available to those patients that may not have private health insurance.
I think what makes this model work is that it gives patients the option. It gives them the option to go to an emergency room in their neighborhood and get quality medical care. They get answers right away, and it gives them just that peace of mind that is so important. And quite honestly, the number one reason why people go to the emergency room. Am I having a heart attack? Am I having a stroke? We answer those questions right away, and it makes the patient feel so much better when they leave.
By combining expertise, technology, and medical care to foster a patient-focused experience that is comfortable, efficient, and closer to home, SignatureCare Emergency Center is revolutionizing emergency care. For location and services information, go to ercare24.com.